landed. Welcome back to the channel. We are in the beautiful Chiang Mai. Wat Chedi Luang temple. This is where I decided to start the visit of the beautiful Chiang Mai. This ancient temple here on the back, it's really touching because of the age and because the level of preservation. And this is the room. Nothing special, but look at the fancy closure system. And yeah, like it's a very basic room, but it's okay. It's clean. I have a little desk here where I have already put all my stuff. You have a little swimming pool view and nice toilet, always with the terrible holders for the shower, so you have like the shower coming in your face, but but it is what it is. A little bit more than 2,400 baht for 3 nights.
And this is all about my first day in the very popular and very beautiful Chiang Mai. I really hope you enjoyed the footage from the temple at the beginning of the video, and there's gonna be more temples, but in the next video. Thanks for watching, and even though it's a little bit late, Happy New Year! And as always guys, I hope to see you in the next episode.